Along is a reading app that helps children have fun while they read. This app possesses an in app reading buddy that listens to the young learner read aloud and offer assistance when they are struggling. You also won't need access to the internet. There are language choices such as Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, and more. While using Read Along, children can have a gratifying experience and can gain confidence. Grasshopper is a coding app for beginners. This is a fun way to start your coding adventure with quick written games that teach you how to write a real JavaScript. You will receive feedback for your progress. Begin your coding journey with amusement and glee. If you're stuck, Socratic is the perfect app to help. Socratic is a learning app made by Google. It understands any type of work going from school to university. All you have to do is ask Socratic a question and you will find the best online resources for you to learn the concepts. This will work for any subject such as maths, history, literature, etc. Science Journal is a free digital science notebook. Whatever you are, teacher, student, hobbyist, you can keep your notes, photos, and observations all in one convenient place. This app also can measure light, sound, acceleration, air pressure, and more using your phone's built in sensors. You can also share your recording with your friends and faculty. Another app created by Google, Measure, turns your phone into a measuring tape. This app supports only AR compatible devices. Measure helps you with quick everyday measurements anywhere, made by your house or office. You can measure the length and height of objects on flat surfaces like the size of a rug, the width of a sofa, or height of a table. In addition, you can easily switch between imperial and metric units and copy your measurements to the clipboard. Motion Stills is an app research at Google that makes you capture videos and transform them into stupendous cinemagraphs or sweeping cinematic pans using their advanced stabilization and rendering technology. You will be able to create looping GIFs or combine clips into movies. You can also browse your recorded clips in a stream. Create 3-second clips with a simple tap feature on a 1-minute video on whole fast forward mode. Recorder concedes you to record anything: meetings, lectures, band practices, family memories, anything that you want to save and listen to later. Recorder automatically transcribes and labels what you record so that you can easily find the parts that matter to you.
உனக்கு தர்றது சோறு இல்ல தம்பி, இம்ப்ரமேஷன். இம்ப்ரமேஷன் இஸ் வெல்த்.